When you search for the best thermal imagers for Android, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, TOPDON TC004 Mini. First up is the TOPDON TC004 Mini Thermal Imaging Camera, priced at $159. What really caught my attention is its enhanced thermal clarity, boasting a resolution of 240 x 240 TISR. If you want a compact and portable thermal camera that delivers detailed inspections, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The TC004 Mini's field of view is 40 degrees x 30 degrees, and with a refresh rate of 25 Hz, the images are smooth and clear. This means you won't miss those critical details when inspecting electrical systems or looking for leaks. Plus, it has smart alerts that warn you when temperatures exceed your preset levels and can capture up to 8,000 photos with its built-in storage. Imagine being able to detect leaks or heat sources quickly and efficiently. Now, some people complained about its somewhat limited 128 x 128 IR resolution, which might feel a bit underwhelming compared to other models. Here's the thing though, for most home inspections or DIY projects, the enhanced clarity easily makes up for it, especially at this price point. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features that might not be necessary for everyday tasks. Overall, the TC004 Mini offers great value for its price. Now, if the limited IR resolution bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for detailed inspections. Product number 2, TOPDON TC001. Next, we have the TOPDON TC001 thermal camera, priced at $209.98. What caught my eye is its 512 x 384 high resolution, which is impressive for a thermal camera. If you're serious about thermal imaging, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters. The TC001 connects directly to your Android device, and with its low power consumption of just 0.35 W, you can extend its use for up to 7 hours depending on your phone's battery. The temperature detection range is -4 to 1022, so you're well covered for a variety of applications. Plus, it has 9 color palettes to visualize temperature differences, which is super handy for precise diagnostics. Now, some users mention that it can be tricky to get compatible devices, especially with the latest Android updates. But honestly, if you have a compatible device, the clarity and features make it worth the hassle. This is perfect for you if you're an HVAC technician or anyone needing precise temperature readings. Skip this if your Android device isn't compatible, as it could lead to frustration. The TC001 definitely provides a good balance of performance and value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility. Product number 3, TOPDON TC002C Duo. Third on the list is the TOPDON TC002C Duo, priced at $241.99. What sets this one apart is its universal USB-C compatibility, making it a great option for multiple devices. If you want a thermal camera that works with both Android and iOS, take a closer look at this one. Here's why this matters. It offers a super resolution of 512 x 384 with a refresh rate of 25 Hz, ensuring you get smooth tracking of heat variations. The temperature range is from -4 to 1022, with plus or -2% accuracy, which is excellent for home inspectors and DIY enthusiasts alike. Plus, you can record photos and videos, which is a game changer for documentation. But here's the thing, if you're using a modern device, it outperforms many competitors in its class. This is perfect for you if you regularly work with various devices and need a reliable thermal camera. Skip this if your device doesn't support USB-C, as it won't function correctly. The TC002C Duo is a worthwhile investment for its versatility and features. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, the next product on the list might just fit the bill. Product number 4, GOYOJO Thermal Imaging Camera. Coming in at number 4 is the GOYOJO Thermal Imaging Camera, priced at $142. This one really stands out with its plug-and-play feature that turns your smartphone into a thermal camera. If you want something super convenient without heavy equipment, this is a great choice. Here's why this matters. The GOYOJO has a resolution of 192x192, which is decent for basic inspections, and it can easily spot electrical issues or plumbing leaks. With a wide 50 degrees field of view, it makes scanning areas much easier without having to move around too much. The temperature detection range of -4 to 752 is also practical for most home applications. But honestly, for quick checks and everyday use, it's more than adequate, especially at this price. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or need a straightforward solution for quick checks around the house. Skip this if you require high-resolution imaging for professional jobs. The GOYOJO delivers solid performance and ease of use for the price. Finally, let's talk about our last pick, which is an excellent choice for those looking for a durable option. Product number 5, H128 Handheld Thermal Camera. Finally, we have the H128 Handheld Thermal Camera, priced at $139.99. This one caught my attention because it boasts a 24-hour battery life, which is impressive. If you want something that can last through lengthy inspections, you should definitely check this out. It also features an IP65 rating, making it durable against dust and water, perfect for outdoor use or rough environments. The built-in temperature alarm alerts you to any heat anomalies, which is a fantastic safety feature. Now, some users mentioned it's a bit bulkier than expected, which can be a downside for portability. But I'll be real with you, the durability and battery life make this a solid choice for professionals who need reliability over compactness. This is perfect for you if you require a tough thermal camera for regular inspections. Skip this if you need something ultra-portable, as it may not fit in your pocket easily. The H128 offers great value with its features and long battery life. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic thermal imagers for Android. The TOPDON TC004 Mini for portability, the TC001 for high resolution, the TC002C Duo for versatility, the GOYOJO for convenience, and the H128 for durability. Depending on your specific needs, one of these will definitely fit the bill.